Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make edits in Ibis Paint X. Begin by creating a canvas, selecting a brush, and importing any reference image you need. Set up layers for sketch, line art, and color to keep edits non-destructive. Use the stabilization and brush settings to refine strokes, and name layers clearly so you can find and tweak elements quickly as your edit progresses throughout the workflow. Grab the eraser and brush tools to refine edges and add fine details, and rely on selection tools to isolate parts you want to change. Transform is great for resizing or rotating elements to fit composition needs, and layer masks help you edit non-destructively so you can adjust color or shading without harming original lines. Keep a duplicate layer before major changes so you can revert if needed. Quick recommendation: if you spend long hours editing in Ibis Paint X, grab the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated and focused during sessions. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful content, and check the description for the link and other deals I found that pair well with creative workflows. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose color using the color wheel and swatches, then block and base colors on separate layers to keep things organized. Use blend modes such as multiply for shadows and overlay for vibrant highlights to build depth quickly. Apply gradient fills and Gaussian blur subtly to soften areas and unify lighting, and always sample colors from your palette to maintain harmony across the edit without losing contrast or clarity in details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.